I think there are some similarities between destination personality or the natural environment, relaxing, safe, and this one is exotic, cold, developed, expensive. You see? So I suggest that you choose.
What I mean, like, you know, this in model, like I need to put for destination personality, I use same model or differently?
Different. In this case, it will be different because this model involves information search.
Oh, sorry.
Now you're not talking about information search. So you're going to be factor 1, factor 2, factor 3, blah, 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 and they all point towards the destination. No. These factors belongs to destination image, okay? And then they affect this one, okay? You understand?
Yeah, I understand. But what about crime risk perception, satisfaction?
Okay, crime risk perception already included as a factor here. You see? So they are vertically ordered, okay? In the order, vertical order, okay? Factor 1, factor 2, factor 3. Or even crime risk perception can be factor 1. Because you have 3 dimensions. Destination personality, it's the first dimension, okay? Trust is another dimension. And then this one is about also trust?
No, it's the destination image. It's you told me I need to find some article about measuring destination image. So they ask some people to answer which kind of factors influence to destination image and how better to evaluate destination image.
I think this one can be included in the destination personality. Okay.
So what?
So it's okay.
It's like we have.
You have a list of factors here. You already find. Okay. Yeah. You just have to group them together. Okay. Destination personality. You break down into all those questions to measure. Okay. You ask these questions in the questionnaire. Okay.
So firstly, I need to have a focus group or pre-test. Just understand which.
Of course. No. You don't need to have a focus group. Okay. You just start the pilot test directly, okay? After you have collected the sum of the data from maybe 10 or 15 people, okay? Then you do the reliability and validity check. Okay?
So it means right now I can't draw the model because I don't know which factors it's...
You can, because this one, the first dimension, destination personality, the second one is trust. Okay? Did you find any papers that use the measurement? Measurement of those destination personality or those natural environment, etc., etc.
I don't see so. So risk and political factors is also will be destination image factors.
The papers that you read. Is there any questionnaires attached in the appendix of those papers? Trying to find some existing questionnaires first, okay? Because you still have time, all right? Just browse those papers that talks about destination image, okay? And just to read the method section of those papers, okay?
I think I didn't get it clear. What do you mean about what? Yeah. Which kind of paper? I found this one.
Any relative papers?
Oh, sorry. This one. About measuring, I found this one.
Okay. The ones that I can suggest, even you can just focus on cognitive indicators and affective indicators. Okay?
Yeah, I will see.
Okay? This becomes your model. Okay? You have cognitive indicators, affective indicators, and then the dependent variable is the visitation. Okay? Likelihood of visitation here. Okay, so you have to break it down into two parts. Okay, first one cognitive indicators, second one affective indicators, and in addition, you can add trust into the model. So it becomes 3 dimensions. Okay, cognitive indicators, affective indicators, and trust.
Okay. And here I will put some factors which I find right.
Just use exactly the same factors mentioned in here, okay, for this paper, and just reference this paper, okay? But you need to do something different. You can't just have exactly the same, okay? So you can add some other things from other papers. You add them together, okay? And then you read this part of every paper. They have the method part, okay, to see how they measure exactly all these factors. Okay, because it will be here. Yes, they have the questionnaire. Okay, see here, they have the questionnaire. Just copy exactly the same questions measurement here. For example, this one stands for exciting experiences. So here you have Moscow stands for exciting experiences, and you change all the names to Moscow. Okay, easy. It's not difficult. You just copy the same thing here. Okay, and you use this one or this one, and then intention becomes your likelihood of visitation. Okay.
So it means the aims of my research is like better understand how
all those factors affect the people's likelihood to visit Russia.
Okay. But I need to write it in FIFA situation, or how FIFA influenced to.
Of course, you need to this needs to be based on the FIFA scenario. Okay.
So we have only one dependent variables, or two.
Only one dependent variable.
Intention to visit.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So destination image is.
Destination image is your independent variable, and you break down destination image into several small factors, and you want to test which factor under the destination image will positively influence the intention to visit.
Okay. Thank you, also. I'm confused because in internet a lot of information, so.
Yeah, of course, but also you need to. It's better that you summarize based on this paper. Okay, you try to read the literature review section of this paper, because this is how that author proposed this model, right? So you need to actually read all these papers. See all the reference here. You need to read. Okay.
One more question just about literature review. Firstly, I wrote about research, what people already research about mega sports events. It's right? Or I need to start to this paper in literature review?
What do you mean?
I mean, I explain to research about mega sports event, and after then I conclusion the key factor in the search is destination image, and after then, what about another author wrote about it? Or I don't need to take this too. It's research about mega sport event. I need to write about it or not?
You can write it in the literature review. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Thank you. Oh, Laushu, we already must have hypothesis for proposal.
It's better that you have hypothesis. Hypothesis is the same. You just copy here. Okay. The questions, the research question.
Okay.
So in this case, this is your model, right? So you can say that H1 is cognitive indicators will positively impact the intention to visit. Okay. Affective indicators will positively affect intention to visit. Okay. Or you can mention that specifically hospitality can positively impact on likelihood to visit.
Okay.
That's your hypothesis. Okay. And you are trying to prove that it's true. That's the case. Okay. If not, then this becomes a very interesting part of the research, and you need to discuss why it won't positively affect likelihood to visit, and people will be extremely interested to know. Okay. And that becomes the intriguing part. Okay. Next one.